Hi, thanks for watching my video. My name's Chris, and in this series we're going to look at various compact key machines made by Ilco, Speedex, and Micrometric Precision. In today's video, we're going to look at the features and specifications of an Ilco Mini-Mite Model 08B compact key machine. Coming right up. This is the Ilco Mini-Mite 008B compact key cutting machine. This model is a little bit wider than a 008 and a 008A because it has the brush on the right side. This compact key machine measures 10.5 inches wide by 8 3/4 inches deep and has a height of about 5 1/4 inches. This model weighs in about 9.2 pounds. And like the model 008 and 8A, it has a reversible jaw, as well as thrust bearings under the clamp tighteners. Carriage operation is manual, also manual for pressure. It does have a screw adjustment for the copy dog and a flip down stop for the key shoulders. Deburring is accomplished on this key cutting machine with the rotating brush. This model does have a protective cover over the cutter, the belt and pulley, and the brush. This model has a 1/7 horsepower motor, runs on 115 volts AC, and spec'd at about 2.1 running amps. This model does have the power switch located on the base. Running current on this model is just a little bit over 1 amp. Like the model 008 and 008A, the protective cover is removable with one screw. Cutter diameter on this model is 2 1/4 inches. And this model is equipped with bushings. The speed of this cutter is running at about 5,000 RPM. And that sums it up for the Ilco Mini-Mite Model 008B. A really nice feature add with the deburring brush right on the machine over the models 008 and 008A. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. Please like and subscribe for my upcoming videos on the compact key machines made by Ilco, Speedex, and Micrometric Precision. Thanks.